Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a Binance sub account for better management. So just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in, and I will just tap on my home icon, which is top left bottom corner, and after inside I will just tap on the top left corner of Binance logo icon, and here I will just tap on my username. Just tap on it, and after inside you will see, which is a top left bottom corner, is a switch account, which is called a sub account. So if you have another account on Binance and you will have to make it in one application, you can just tap on this switch account, and from here you can just tap on the top right corner of plus icon. I will just tap on it, and from here you can just remove your previous email and just write your new email. If you have created already your account on Binance, you can just sign in, and you will be just here in the username of new your account. And from here on this pencil icon top right corner, you can just edit it, you can just delete it, or you can just edit it your email address on this, and you can just also manage your accounts. And if you have a one or above account, so sub account is that. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.